Changing a video thumbnail in the media library. Go to Site, Media Library, and then find or select your video in which you want to change the thumbnail. In this case, I will select this media here. Let's click on the little pencil icon, and this will take us into the media settings for this. In here we can change the name of the media, we can delete or add tags, and we can also update the thumbnail. Within this area we also have the ability to upload captions if we produce them. Let's update the thumbnail. Click Update Thumbnail, and we have a few choices. One of the choices is to select a current frame from the video. If we play this video, I can pause it and select that as the current frame. Notice here on the right, it's a different picture to here. Let's click Select Current Video Frame. Now you'll see that the video thumbnail has changed. As well as that option, we also have the option to upload a custom thumbnail we have created. Let's click Upload Custom Thumbnail and simply upload a new course card from our local computer. Click Open, and this new course card will be added into here as the thumbnail for our video. The last method we have to update the thumbnail is to use Canva. Let's click Design on Canva. This will open up Canva and allow us to upload a new design or change an existing design inside of Canva. Let's choose this one and click Publish. It will prepare your design and instantly appear as the video thumbnail. So Zenler gives you 3 ways to upload or choose a frame from a video or design on Canva. That's 3 ways to upload a video thumbnail inside of Zenler. Once you're finished, just click the media library to see your changes reflected on the video.